Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome to Smart Learning Foreign Language. Today we are going to learn how to use the French verb manger, which means to eat in English, in the passé composé or the past tense. This will help you speak about things you already ate in a very easy way. In French, the passé composé is made using two parts. 1. The helping verb or auxiliary for manger, we use avoir. 2. The past participle of manger, which is manger. So together it becomes avoir plus manger equals sign have eaten, quas ate. Slowly, with French pronunciation. Let's conjugate it with examples. J'ai mangé, I ate, I have eaten tu as mangé, you ate, informal. Il, elle a mangé, he, she ate. Nous avons mangé, we ate, vous avez mangé, you ate, formal or plural. Ils, elles ont mangé, they ate. On-screen text appears with French plus English side by side. Now let's use manger in real sentences. J'ai mangé une pomme. I ate an apple. Nous avons mangé du riz. We ate rice. Elle a mangé du poulet. She ate chicken. Ils ont mangé au restaurant. They ate at the restaurant. Type appears on screen. Always remember, avoir plus mangé. So, remember, to talk about eating in the past, just use avoir and manger. It's that simple. Practice with different foods you like, and soon you'll sound natural in French. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Smart Learning Foreign Language, and also like and share this video lesson with your friends, so you never miss an update. And a special gift for you. Check the description of this video to get 2 of the best, absolutely free French e-courses. Eiffel Excellence. Learn French in 30 days. Bonjour Basics. A very essential ebook for school French learners in ICSE, CBSE, and international curriculum. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much, and keep practicing French every day. À bientôt. See you soon.